There are lots of documentary cameras you can pick from. They all have different things about them, such as good stuff and how much they cost. I looked at many of them, read what people said about them, and made a list of the best ones from good brands. After all that looking, I found these document cameras really helpful. If you want to know how much they cost in more details, just look at what I wrote below. So, let's start talking about them now. Number 1. The Apevo V4K. The Apevo V4K Ultra High Definition 8MP USB document camera is an ideal tool for educators, professionals, and content creators seeking high-quality live demonstrations and remote communication. Featuring an 8-megapixel camera, this document camera captures crisp, detailed images with a maximum resolution of 3264x2448, making it perfect for showcasing documents, artworks, or 3D objects. With plug-and-play compatibility for macOS, Windows, and Chromebooks, the V4K requires no additional drivers, allowing for quick setup and use. Its flexible multi-joint stand allows precise adjustments, enabling easy capturing of items from different angles. The high frame rate ensures smooth video in varying lighting conditions, while its fast focusing speed minimizes interruptions during live sessions. This camera is widely used for distance learning, web conferencing, remote teaching, and real-time demonstrations. Its compact, lightweight design makes it easy to transport and set up in any environment. Number 2. INS One USB Document Camera. The INS One USB Document Camera offers an 8MP Ultra HD resolution, providing crystal clear visuals for a wide range of applications including distance learning, remote teaching, web conferencing, and live demos. Its autofocus feature ensures that images and documents remain sharp and in focus without the need for manual adjustments. With its integrated LED light, the camera performs well even in low light conditions, making it suitable for various lighting environments. The built-in microphone enhances communication by delivering clear audio during virtual sessions. This versatile document camera is compatible with multiple operating systems such as macOS, Windows, and Chromebook, ensuring seamless integration with most devices. It connects easily via USB, providing plug-and-play convenience without the need for additional software. Ideal for educators, presenters, and professionals, the INS One USB document camera is designed to enhance virtual presentations, making it easier to display documents, objects, or teaching materials. Its compact and portable design makes it a practical choice for those needing flexibility in their remote working or teaching setup. Number 3. UHD Pro. The UHD Pro Flexible USB Video and Document Camera, RED, is an easy-to-use versatile tool designed for education, office, and personal use. Its flexible neck allows for precise positioning, making it ideal for capturing live video, documents, and 3D objects. The camera features a high-quality lens that delivers clear and sharp images with vibrant colors, enhancing the viewing experience for presentations, video calls, and classroom demonstrations. The integrated microphone ensures crystal clear audio, while the plug-and-play USB interface allows for quick and hassle-free installation, without the need for additional drivers. The compact design of the UHD Pro makes it highly portable, fitting easily into a bag for on-the-go use. It is compatible with both Windows and macOS systems, and its adjustable base ensures stable placement on any surface. With its versatile functionality, this camera is a practical solution for teachers, professionals, and content creators looking to enhance their presentations and communication. Number 4. ThuStar 8MP Document Camera. The ThuStar 8MP document camera and webcam offers high-quality 4K resolution for crystal clear images and live demonstrations. Equipped with dual microphones, it ensures clear audio for online meetings, classes, or distance education. This device supports various operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Chrome OS, making it a versatile choice for different users. Its USB connectivity ensures a plug-and-play setup, eliminating the need for additional drivers or complicated installations. The visualizer is capable of capturing documents up to A3 size, making it perfect for presentations or classroom use. Its 3-level adjustable LED lights provide enhanced visibility in different lighting conditions, ensuring clear visuals even in dim environments. The Image Invert function allows for flexible viewing angles and perspectives, making it easier to display content accurately. Number 5. Digital Portable Overhead USB. The Digital Portable Overhead USB Distance Teaching Document Camera LV1010 is a versatile tool designed for educators and professionals who require a reliable solution for real-time document sharing and presentations. This lightweight compact camera is easy to set up, making it ideal for on-the-go use in classrooms, meetings, or remote learning environments. With the high-resolution lens, the LV1010 captures clear images of documents, textbooks, and 3D objects, ensuring crisp visibility even in low-light conditions. Its flexible arm and adjustable height provide a wide range of motion, allowing users to focus on various angles with ease. The camera connects via USB, offering plug-and-play functionality without the need for additional drivers, making it compatible with both Windows and Mac operating systems. Additionally, its foldable design ensures portability and convenient storage. The LV1010 supports various teaching platforms, enhancing interactive lessons with Zoom capabilities and annotation features.